How to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege PS4 and PC. Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to enable crossplay between PlayStation 4 and PC in Rainbow Six Siege. Let's get started so you can team up with your friends, no matter what platform they're on. First, make sure you're playing the latest version of Rainbow Six Siege. Both PS4 and PC need to be updated to the same game version to enable crossplay. You can check for updates in your console settings or on Steam for PC. Next, you need a Ubisoft account, so if you don't have one, go to the Ubisoft website and create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. This account is essential for crossplay functionality. After logging in, you'll need to link your PlayStation Network account to your Ubisoft account, and you can do this through the Ubisoft website. Just go to Linked Account in your account settings and follow the prompts to link your PSN account. Once your accounts are linked, launch Rainbow Six Siege and go to Options, then Gameplay, and make sure Crossplay is enabled. This allows you to invite friends from different platforms. Now you can invite your friends, so open your friends list, find your PS4 friends, send them an invite, and they'll be able to join your game. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy crossplay in Rainbow Six Siege. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.